Hello dear subscribers, hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Keep supporting. An extreme heat wave in China is causing aftermarket vinyl wraps on cars to swell and inflate due to prolonged exposure to intense sunlight and heat. A man was discovered to be unknowingly missing 90% of his brain, yet he was living a normal life. San Marino has more registered cars than its residents. Women are more sensitive to clutter than men. Clutter increases the stress hormone cortisol faster in women compared to men. Studies confirm love is more likely to flourish with similarity in values and interest, challenging the myth that opposites attract for long-term romance. Chickens were the first domesticated not for the purpose of food or egg production but for cockfighting. A brain injury transformed a man into an accidental mad genius. Consuming too much sugar can speed up the aging process of cells. This is the Murchison meteorite, believed to be the oldest material found on Earth. It's over 7 billion years old than Earth itself. Bill Nye was drawn to science and evolution because he was fascinated with bees and their flight when he was a kid. The last picture posted online of Robin Williams, who we lost 10 years ago today. Asthma is the most common chronic illness among Olympians. In the 1896 Olympics, the first modern games, Greece had 169 athletes and the US had just 14. Despite this, the US still won more gold, outpacing competitors from 12 other nations. Reading and enjoying books as a teenager is the activity most strongly linked to getting a professional career later in life. One of the biggest sources of microplastics released into the environment is paint, as 95% of modern paints are plastic-based. These little guys technically are not dragons, but they are flying lizards, which seems pretty close. The tiny lizards are known as dracovolans. Water at the bottom of the ocean is incredibly hot. Water coming out of hydrothermal vents in the seafloor can be up to 750 degrees Fahrenheit. The first IAS examination in India was done in 1950. Squirrels can't find more than half the nuts they hide. A winner is just a loser who tried one more time. Wabi-sabi meaning acceptance of imperfection. Out of water oil rigs looks like a modern Howl's moving castle. Orchid flower mantis, also known as king fu mantis. Japanese artist transforms ordinary stone into peacock with paint. Each year, more than 2 million books, 350 million magazines and 24 billion newspapers are published. Alex Morgan, an American forward. Morgan has been a key player for the US women's national team and has helped them win 2 FIFA Women World Cups 2015-2019. The biggest known cloud of water vapor was discovered by NASA scientists around a black hole 12 billion light years from Earth. There is 140 trillion times as much water in it as all the water in the world's oceans. When pluralizing yours, never use an apostrophe unless you're omitting the first 2 digits. If you're trying to make a decision but you overanalyze the pros and cons until you are so overwhelmed that you can't come to a rational conclusion and you therefore fail to actually make a decision, you are suffering from analysis paralysis. From the 3rd century BCE, composed by Kautilya, also known as Chanakya, this is a foundational text of realpolitik and statecraft, has 6,000 shlokas, 15 book titles, and 150 chapters. A man bought a $5 bottle of orange juice from a supermarket. His wife said it was too expensive and sent him back to return it because it was on sale for $2.50 elsewhere. He then decided to buy 2 lottery tickets with the cash refunded from the orange juice. He won $315.3 million. Want to get straight through to a human while calling your internet service provider? Say cancel service to the automated operator. You will get sent right to the retention team. When a 400-year rare old Japanese bonsai tree was stolen, the bonsai master gave out instructions on how the thief could care for the plant so it does not die, as he felt it was his child. These are the 8 most recent generations. The Lost Generation. Greatest Generation. Silent Generation. Baby Boomer. Millennials. Generation Z. Generation Alpha. Thanks for watching.